Sometimes we have missing data in our data set. And let's look at an example here. We have confidence, and then you see that little blank cell here. We have missing data, then another blank cell here where we have missing data. Now, when you type in your data, you could choose to just leave a blank space when you find missing data. Let's say you have a paper and pencil questionnaire or some other kind of data that you typed in, but then this person here, person 1003, was missing the self-confidence for T1. Now, you could either leave this blank or you could type in a value that you define as a missing value. So, for example, you could type in 99 as a missing value, right? Or you could type in minus 99 as a missing value. What we would have to do then is also define this as a missing value. So we go into variable view and we would go for the variable confidence T1. We go towards the end here and you see right now missing, it says none. So there's no missing value specified, but here you have the option to define minus 99 as a discrete missing value. Okay, and now we're going to do a frequency analysis, descriptive statistics frequencies, to see if our missing values coding worked. Right, we're going to ask, give us the frequency of self-confidence. We hit OK, and we'll be able to see that, right, we have not confident at all, that's the 1, 6, then we have 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 9, then 5 very confident, 10, total of 38, and then we have a missing value minus 99, and we have a system missing, which is 1. So let's go back here. All right, we have the minus 99 was a missing, and the system missing was this blank cell. If I enter minus 99 here as well, and if I do the frequencies again, right, we did create the same table. You note how now the minus 99 has two values. Right? Before it was missing, we had minus 99 and system missing. Now we only have minus 99 as missing. So the advantage of having a code for missing is that you're sure that there actually was no value, because sometimes people, if it's manual, people might skip a row and or column and they don't type it in. But if you actually typed in minus 99, we are pretty sure that in reality there was a missing value on the input sheet. You could also use a different code. You could say, you know what, the person, it wasn't missing, but the person put a cross between the 3 and the 4, although we clearly instructed them to not put crosses between the bubbles 3 and 4 or 4 and 5. The person put it in between, and we don't want to type in 3.5 or something like that. So we could say check multiple boxes or check the in between boxes gets the code minus 98. So then we could add this minus 98 as an additional missing values. So missing 99 and minus 98. Right? So why would you do this? You could do this if we do now the frequency. You could do this and it will tell you if a lot of people are actually not missing data, but they're checking in between the boxes. So you could differentiate that, a true missing where they didn't answer at all, from a missing where you just have bad data.